If you are exploring AC systems and heat pumps, consider the Trane XR16 Heat Pump. This split-system pump offers heating and cooling from one outdoor unit, suitable for single-family homes in the US and Canada. The Trane XR16 delivers up to 16.2 SEER2 and 8.1 HSPF2 for heating. It is a mid-range, two-stage system providing good value without being the least or most expensive. Unlike the XR16 air conditioner, this model provides both heating and cooling, often eliminating the need for a gas furnace. Key features include solid energy efficiency ratings, reliable performance via rigorous testing, two-stage Climate-Tough compressor. Trane has manufactured HVAC systems since 1885, establishing a reputation for durability. While the XV series offers variable speed compressors for higher efficiency, the XR16's two-stage operation is simpler and more budget-friendly. 10-year limited parts warranty when registered. The XR16 features. The XR16 fits between entry-level models like the XR14 and higher-end variable speed models. The two-stage operation provides comfort benefits and avoids complexity. The XR16 is popular in dealer choice packages as a balanced option for homeowners seeking efficiency without premium costs. A two-stage compressor enhancing lifespan and reducing energy consumption. Spine fin outdoor coil for better heat transfer. A durable galvanized steel cabinet. Dura-Tough rust-proof base pan. Sound-insulated compartments for noise reduction. Sound levels are moderate, around mid-70 decibels. Coastal areas should consider extra protection due to salt exposure. Efficiency ratings under the new standards show up to 16.2 SEER2 for cooling, up to 8.1 HSPF2 for heating. Older systems averaged around 9 SEER, making the XR16's efficiency impressive. Maintaining full efficiency requires pairing with a smart thermostat, proper ductwork sizing and sealing, keeping the outdoor coil clean. Annual maintenance. Two-stage operation helps maintain comfort with gentler run cycles and better humidity control. However, complaints often arise from installation errors instead of the system. Issues like short cycles or temperature swings are typically linked to sizing and ductwork. Durability features include corrosion-resistant coil, weatherproof cabinet, factory testing for extreme conditions, protection systems for the compressor. When registered, the XR16 includes 10-year limited compressor warranty, 10-year limited coil warranty, 10-year limited warranty on internal parts. A typical lifespan is 12 to 18 years with proper care. Issues often stem from inadequate installation or sizing. Proper installations include detailed load calculations, duct evaluations, correct thermostat setups. Price for the XR16 varies by region. 2-ton systems, $8,000, $12,000. 3-ton systems, $10,000, $14,000. 4-ton systems, $12,000, $16,000. The system qualifies for federal tax credits and potential utility rebates. Replacing a 10 SEER system could save homeowners $400 to $600 annually in energy costs over 10 years. The XR16 is ideal if you are replacing an old system, seeking better comfort than single-stage options, and have appropriately designed ductwork. Consider high-end models if you desire lower noise or live in extreme climates. Pros of the XR16. Trusted brand. Two-stage comfort. Solid warranty. Good efficiency. Potential cons. Not the quietest option. Requires proper installation for efficiency. Not top-rated for SEER2. Consult a local dealer for accurate sizing and personalized proposals to ensure lasting value from your investment in the Trane XR16.